Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica. In today's video, I will be decorating my front porch for the fall season. I had so much fun doing this, and I will also show you a few crafts that I made that were super easy and very budget friendly. So let's just get right into this video, and I hope that you guys all enjoy.
You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door.
Okay, so here's my front porch. It's not really that spectacular to look at, but I do enjoy decorating this for the seasons. I just recently took all of my summer decor down, and I'm just kind of showing you what everything looks like and what I will be working with. So what I'm going to do first is just get rid of all the dirt and debris that's on the front porch, kind of move things out of the way, and I'm going to take my leaf blower to do that. And then I am going around this window because there are some cobwebs that have collected in the corners and right above the window here. So once I'm finished with that, I'm going to give these windows a really good clean. I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day window cleaner for this, and then once I get everything cleaned up, I will start decorating.
You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet.
If you are visiting my channel for the very first time today, I would like to take a second and just say thank you. I truly appreciate you clicking on this video. And if you are new, I would love it if you considered subscribing to my channel. I do a ton of decorating and lots of cleaning. So my goal is to give you all of those decorating ideas and all of that cleaning motivation. So go ahead and click that red subscribe button right now before you forget. And don't forget to click that notification bell as well. That way you are notified each and every time I upload a new video.
Spend all day in bed.
So I decided to add some fall mums by the front door, and I did not take them out of the pots. I wanted to keep them in there for the height, plus I wanted to add a little extra pop of color, and I took a fall garland and just kind of wrapped it around. And then I bought these leaf bundles at the Dollar Tree last year, and I just kind of filled in the spaces, and I love the way this turned out. It added a little extra contrast and a pop of color over here in this corner.
Shut the lights, go infrared.
I thought I would bring more of that yellow color over here by this bench, and I did purchase these flowers at Dollar Tree as well. And I want to say I purchased them last year. And then I got this little hay bundle at Michael's, and then I can't remember where I got that wheat bundle, but these burlap bags are so darn adorable. I purchased these last year at Target in the dollar spot. So this is an item that I just recently purchased, and I found this at Marshall's the other day, and it was $24.99. It is so pretty. They have so many beautiful fall pillows out right now. If you have not been to Marshall's or Home Goods recently, I would check them out if you are looking for some really pretty fall pillows. They have a ton of beautiful fall decor out as well.
It's an obsession that is much too strong. I know that I said I have never been wrong, but we stopped talking long ago. I know that I'm lost, but I'm not moving on. Something between us still feels strong. I want you to know that with you I feel whole.
Okay, so I have been looking all over the place for those beautiful white pumpkins that you see. Sometimes they are called fantasy pumpkins, and they are in like weird different shapes. Sometimes they're pink, sometimes they are like a light colored sage green, but I cannot find any anywhere. And I was just recently at my local grocery store, and these pumpkins were only $5 a piece, so I thought I could paint them and make them white, and this was so incredibly easy to do. And I was kind of sharing this over on my Instagram. If you are not following me yet over there, I encourage you to. I will go ahead and leave my handle down below. But what I did was I just took a flat paintbrush and I just used paint that I already had. I'm pretty sure you can use any type of paint you wish, but this is just a basic white paint. It is a paint and primer in one, and then I just lightly put one coat on here first, and then here in a minute I'm going to take a gray color paint and kind of add a little bit of an extra pop of color, and then I will take another coat of the paint and go over it to just kind of mute out the gray. And I love the way these turned out. This was a very simple and easy project, and I just think they look so pretty painted. So right here, this is the paint that I'm using. I also use this to paint a few furniture pieces in my house, and this is the paintbrush that I am using as well. I'm sure it doesn't really matter what paintbrush you use, but I just wanted to quickly show you what I was using. And here is that gray color that I was just talking about. It is called Hippo Gray, and I purchased that at Hobby Lobby. And then I'm just going to take the same paintbrush and just kind of really focus more around the stem, make it darker around the stem, the top area, and then just kind of follow the creases down each side of the pumpkins.
Looking up at a tree, I remember how it started. I was lost in a dream when the fire in my heart said an open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose.
I found this really pretty welcome mat at Home Goods the other day. I know it's not fall related, but I think it's so pretty, and it's something that I could definitely keep out year round. Now I'm just going to dress up this cinnamon broom with a fall garland, and then I will be placing the pumpkins out here. And then in a second I will show you this really pretty pumpkin sign that I purchased a few years ago at Hobby Lobby, and I thought that it just looked perfect out here because I do have those pumpkins sitting out here on the front porch as well, and it just kind of gives a little bit of color over here by the door. And I just love the way everything turned out, and now I'm going to show you how I made the wreath for my front door. Okay, so I purchased all of my items to make this wreath at Hobby Lobby, and all of these items here were on sale. All of their fall items were 40% off. The wreath was the only thing that was not on sale, but I did use my 40% off coupon for that. So I'm just going to quickly show you each item, and I'm going to show you the prices on those.
I glide across the ground and over the ocean, and you can't force me down as long as I'm open, like a rose.
So the first thing that I'm going to do is just take off all of the tags that I have on my items, and then I will take my wire cutters and just clip off all of the stems to where they are all in pieces. And I will take this bouquet apart because I am not going to use it as the bundle here. I'm going to take each flower off and just kind of place it randomly on my wreath. And this wreath was so incredibly easy to make, and I did not hot glue things on right away because sometimes I change my mind and I like to move things around. So what I did was I started with the leaves and then just kind of placed them on each side and then kind of wedged them into the wreath itself. And then I will add the pumpkins, and then I will place the florals in between the pumpkins and the leaves, and I love the way this turned out. It turned out so pretty, and once I'm finished with this, I will just take my hot glue gun and go in between each of those and make sure they are nice and secure and hot glue those in so they don't fall out.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
Well, that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, I would love it if you left me a thumbs up. I hope that it gave you a ton of decorating ideas if you are looking to decorate your front porch this fall season. Please be sure to subscribe if you are new, and I hope that you guys all have an amazing day. I will see you in the next one. Bye!